check the loud level. Texas. Cuando quiere que para ponerlo se le pone.
Oh, hey,
Okay.
Oh, wow. Oh, you respond. You came over and
Okay.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So yeah, the first year sod, I was trying to aeration and then leveling with sand only, but probably till May until the pulling dies off and then the reviewer comes out a little bit more.
Okay.
Yeah. So this, that, and then the backyard.
Okay.
Oh, in the backyard, and then 1,200 square feet only, by including the sides.
Today.
Yeah, good. Thank you so much. Well, thank you for coming. That's wow. That's much better than you messaging me back.
Yeah. Okay.
I was like, wow, okay.
Yes. No. Hey, today. No work today.
No work, yeah,
No.
Sunday.
Yes. Yes. I go to church.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, guys. Hey, I look like the house.
Oh, are you guys nearby the area?
Yeah. Oh, yes. And back.
Oh, okay. About 20 minutes?
20 minutes. Yes.
Oh, good.
20 minutes. Yes. I got it. 3-4 house in the back.
Mm-hmm.
Good the grass.
Oh, okay. Good.
Yes. Okay.
All right. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Well, thank you.
I didn't want